Today, we're diving deep into an issue that can turn your smooth ride into a noisy journey: squeaky suspension. At FindTheBestCarPrice, we're not just about finding you great car deals. We're also here to guide you through maintaining your car in prime condition. Let's tackle the causes of squeaky suspension and find out how to silence those irksome sounds. Decoding the squeaks in your suspension. A squeaky suspension is more than just a nuisance. It could signal deeper issues affecting your vehicle's safety and handling. From bushings to ball joints, we'll explore the usual suspects behind the squeaks and how you can address them. 1. Bushings, the silent protectors. Bushings are vital for cushioning the vehicle's suspension system, but when they dry out or wear down, they start squeaking. These rubber sleeves can cause noise when they allow suspension components to move unexpectedly. A bit of lubricant might quiet them down, but sometimes, replacing the bushing is your best solution. 2. Rubber mounts, keeping things in place. Rubber mounts, especially on the lower control arms, can also be squeak culprits. If they tear or deteriorate, you'll hear it. While a quick spray of penetrating oil can be a temporary fix, worn-out mounts often require replacement for a lasting solution. 3. Ball joints, the pivotal players. Ball joints allow for versatile movement in your car's suspension. If their protective casing is damaged, dirt can get in, and lubrication can get out, leading to that telltale squeak. Greasing them might help, but sometimes, a new ball joint is the only way to ensure silence and safety. Exploring squeaky suspension causes. After bushings, rubber mounts, and ball joints, there are other elements that can lead to a squeaky suspension. Let's continue our journey into understanding these causes and pinpointing the right solutions. Other causes of squeaky suspension. Beyond the usual suspects, a squeaky suspension can stem from a variety of sources. One such issue is the serpentine belt. If it loses grip, it might not just squeak but also affect other vital functions of your car. Replacing the belt or the associated pulley can resolve this. Another potential cause could be low-power steering fluid, leading to a clicking noise, especially when turning. It's crucial to address this immediately to avoid further complications. Stopping the squeaks. So, how can you bring peace and quiet back to your ride? Regular lubrication is key. For components with grease fittings, a simple application of the right lubricant can make a world of difference. And don't forget about those rubber isolators. Sometimes, all they need is a bit of grease to stop the noise. If these steps don't silence the squeaks, it might be time to consider replacing the affected parts, like the entire set of springs or the shock absorbers. Remember, it's always best to replace these parts in pairs to maintain balance and performance. Knowing when to replace your suspension. Suspension components generally wear out after 50,000 to 100,000 miles, but this can vary based on your driving habits and road conditions. Signs like leaking fluid, instability when braking or turning, uneven tread wear, or a generally bumpy ride are all indicators that it's time for a suspension checkup or possibly a replacement. And when you do replace suspension parts, a subsequent wheel alignment is essential to ensure your car drives straight, preventing uneven tire wear and maintaining optimal handling. The cost of a quiet ride. What about the cost? Replacing a car's suspension can range from $1,000 to $5,000, influenced by various factors like your vehicle's make and model, the specific repairs needed, and the labor involved. While it might be an investment, ensuring a quiet, comfortable, and safe ride is invaluable. Conclusion. Tackling a squeaky suspension is about more than eliminating noise. It's about ensuring your car's safety and longevity. By understanding the causes and taking proactive steps, you can enjoy a serene and secure driving experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.